such a fucking beautiful day. Okay, so the plan is, my friend is going to play golf, but he's going to a really nice kind of countryside place. Not too far, but far enough so that it's not the city. So I brought a couple of options. I brought some yoga clothes, because I'm not gonna play golf. He said there's a spa, so I brought a bikini in case I want to go swimming. And this is what I'm wearing. For right now, I have a really nice perforated shirt, cotton shirt, and my leather jacket. People are all like talking to me, and I keep thinking I've dropped something, because like they say excuse me, and then they just stare at me. I don't know if I mentioned I went to La Grille yesterday. I think I filmed it, and I had a really intense workout. Everything hurts right now, which hasn't happened for a while because I'm pretty fit. Look at this light. This area is so cute. And I'm gonna pick up a coffee. Another coffee. Okay, so I'm in the changing rooms. I just changed into some yoga gear. They told me that there's a garden where I can go and do some yoga. So my friends went to play golf, so I'm gonna do that. Look how beautiful and peaceful it is here. So I'm walking towards this garden. Oh, I see that it's just full of space. I could actually do yoga anywhere, but she recommended the garden, so I don't want to be an exhibitionist in such a classical surrounding. Please, look at this. Look at this landscape. Still walking. I could kind of just stay anywhere, you know? I mean, maybe not near the bridge, because there's probably gonna be people around the bridge. But this is pretty empty. I'd like to be there. That looks like a stage. I actually quite like this space. It has a good vibe. And they're not gonna be playing here. I see that they are playing over there now. And also, I'm not in the sun, which is good because it's actually really, really hot. I could just stay here, do some stretching. This reminds me, I read a book. I read it twice. I was obsessed with it. It's called Journey to Ixtlan by Carlos Castañeda, and it went into the energy of places. It was about how to become a hunter. Kind of like a spiritual hunter, but to be very connected with nature. And it talked about how you see not through your eyes but through your heart, and you can find the right spots physically and figuratively for your life to advance in a positive way. So for example, it was talking at length about how sometimes if you sit at the wrong spot, you can have an accident or you can get killed. If you sit at the right spot, just something as simple as sitting in a spot can define the whole journey of your life. That was just like one thing. The book was very, very dense with knowledge about nature and psychic powers. I was reading that when I was studying about dreams, because Carlos Castañeda is really, it's an eminence. He's an eminence in the topic of dreams and lucid dreaming. Is that a bee? Oh god, there's a lot of bees right there. It's weird. Okay, let's just leave the bees. But anyway, it was really interesting. I think this is a perfect spot, or maybe wonder what's over the other side of this little hill. Maybe it's gonna be even better. Might be, yeah, it might be even better to be up here. right down there. So I did an hour of yoga. The guys were here a minute ago. And now I'm gonna go back to the club, to the changing rooms. I don't think I'm gonna change though, because I kind of like the yoga outfit. Guys, is that a real duck? You know what? I'm gonna actually cross the bridge. So maybe this is where the garden is. Either way, I didn't want to be in the garden. There's too many people here. It's the loveliest day. It just called me like, I want that helicopter. How I dry my sheets. So elegant.
This lift is going down.
I saw my neighbor, I said hi. She didn't reply. Typical London. Not that one. I'm waiting for an iced latte. So today I am sitting the other way around, look. The street is there, behind me. Coming to see my doctor. Finished. Oof, it's so late. I'm starving. I haven't really had breakfast today. And I booked an appointment for my brows. I'm having this nice lobster salad snack. Just eating huge quantities of rice. It was amazing. And now, as a reward, I've made myself a shandy. And I have to do yoga actually. I've been working on a track, it takes forever. I am getting together melody lines to use on it. Okay, who here is an enabler? If you are an enabler, I want to hear from you because I'll show you my situation right now. You know how I haven't been shopping a lot lately? So I have found this jacket. I've been looking for a leather jacket forever. Let's do some shopping together. We never do this. Oh, it's like I don't know you anymore. All right, so I placed this offer on this amazing... Oh, there's a new Chanel bag. Hold on. Oh, that's so expensive. Who pays this for these little bags? Seriously. I think this is so great. And I've been putting offers on it because the price is so expensive, but for a Fendi leather coat, I mean, this leather coat was probably like over £2,000. And I really want a leather coat, so I've been saving for one. Because I don't really have any. I have my long Rick Owens jacket. Let me open this. But the sleeves are so tight and half of the sleeve is fabric, so it's just not the same thing. This is more like a leather trench. Isn't this gorgeous? I'm on the way to the studio now. Maybe I can pick up some food on the way, we'll see. There was meant to be a bus, but as usual, there's building works. think about me in that Spanish skirt.